Hello everyone, welcome to Get 100 Marks. In today's class, we are going to discuss about internet frauds or otherwise called as cybercrime. Let's understand what does a cybercrime mean. A cybercrime, also called a computer crime, is the use of computer as an instrument to further illegal ends such as committing fraud activities, trafficking in child pornography, intellectual property, stealing identities, or violating privacy of any individual or any company. Cybercrime involves the use of computer and network in attacking computers and networks as well. Cybercrime is obviously criminal offense and is penalized by the law. Cybercriminals devise various strategies and programs to attack computers and systems. Altogether, cybercrime could be understood as an activity using an internet if you are committing any fraud or you are using internet for any child pornography or stealing any intellectual property of an individual or a company and stealing the identity of somebody and violating the privacy of someone. All these put together are considered to be cybercrimes. Now let's see what are all the different areas these cybercrimes are being done. They could be classified into 5 important areas: computer system damage, online publishing, data privacy, hacking, and cyber terrorism. When we look into cyber system damage, any damages which is done to a computer system, including the software, hardware, or any other physical component related to the computer, it is considered to be an computer system damage crime. When it comes to online publishing, it basically talks about the intellectual property rights and also the copyright. You can see here publishing for doing fraud, pornographic materials. All this, when you publish illegally, they are considered as online publishing scams. Data and privacy, identity protection, privacy, data protection. And when it comes to hacking, when your information is uh, taken away by somebody else doing some tricks of hacking, that is considered to be as one of the major cybercrime. Cyber terrorism, involvement in abatement of terrorist activities using internet as a source, is considered to be in cyber terrorism. Thank you.